It's frightening.
You want to see?
Hey, Grace, you want to come out here and stand with Daddy?
You want to go stand with Daddy?
It's just a little misty.
No, you want to stand with me?
It's okay,
All right, come
honey.
here.
You can stay with Dave.
Come here.
Stay with Uncle Dave.
It's okay. You won't get wet. We're inside.
Gracie, Thunder's okay.
You want to go stand with Daddy?
I'm dry, Gracie. I'm not
Okay,
getting wet.
Dry. You're okay.
I'm not getting wet, honey.
You want beer?
We're underneath the porch, Bubba.
No? Okay.
Bubba. What am I calling her, Bubba?
Stinky.
We won't go outside. We'll stay inside. You want to go see Mommy?
Come on, I want some good thunder
sorry.
now.
Hey, Stinky.
I can't hold that door anymore.
Uh-oh. I don't think this could last for a very long period.
It's not.
This is pretty intense tour.
It's
Yeah,
not
it
going to
is.
last long.
Usually lasts maybe at the most like half an hour, probably. I mean, the thunder and lightning can go on for a while, but like this intensity. It sucks over there. It rolls over there.
Beep, 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 beep. Just don't get the camera wet.
It means that we
You can get wet. Your camera can't.
Oh!
Ooh, that's gonna be loud.
Oh,
That's gonna
sweet.
be loud.
Where is it? Where is it? Boom!
Wow.
Yeah, I was like, ow! Alright, just like headbutted you. I'm like,
That's just getting closer, too.
Yeah, it is.
Super!
I opened up the
that's gonna be
garage
bad.
door one day during the storms. Right there.
Oh my god, it did it again! Did I get that on tape?
That was pretty intense. What was it? It's like right above us right now.
I opened up the garage door
I'm
one
going
day.
in because
right
it
outside
just,
the
oh my
store.
god, it just did it again. Yeah, bye-bye. Somewhat safer location, maybe?
Boom, boom, boom.
Well, we can at least like duck into the, take it to
Exactly.
the garage when needed. I'm gonna sit in the car.
I'm like waiting for that lightning to come back now. Oh, there's hail.
Is that hail? Yeah, they said there was golf ball size. hail
Usually
in
with the hail,
My new car!
that's when the tornadoes come.
Yeah, actually, it has to be pretty fucking big size hail to get hail damage.
My car!
Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Look at your car!
My car. Ow!
Oh my god, it's so big. Look at how big this hailpins are.
Ah, listen to it. Look at it on the ground.
I know, they're huge. Well, actually, they're smaller now than they were about
Oh my goodness.
a minute ago.
We had to take my car, Matthew. It's getting hailed on.
I'm kidding.
Oh, no more hail, I don't think. Just really. Oh, no, there's one.
That was rain came for
I know. Jeez. On the porch. Now there's really bad wind. And we're recording.
And
Yes.
and we're rolling.
And shh. Lovely, David.
Fantastic. Well done. They give it a 6.
Did it like turn around and come back? Like what is going on?
It could be. They said they were rotating the storms themselves.
Fabulous.
I was pointing at the Dave, look at the river.
You see that over there?
Where? Let me zoom in on the river. It's my hand
We did the
shake.
same thing coming out the storm drain down around West's yard. Oh, we saw Les when
What was he doing? Running
Richard
through the rain?
Mansfield left, he was walking. He was walking, so it started to rain at it. I walked him out, and he came by, and he's like,
You saw the snake in that bush?
I don't know.
At least one.
That thing needs to be.
And I was like, that was. And I was telling them, I was like, hey, it runs like 3 miles an hour. Well, you just
He's
told
gonna
me 3
die
miles
running.
Vegas, not 12.
I really don't like it
There's times I see
stopping
him in the
and
morning.
starting
And
again.
then I can see him when
Hey,
it's
it's nothing now. We're done.
I don't think he stopped.
David, you're purposely saying that so that something does happen.
That's why we don't like it.
Oh no, I'm going to throw water at you. This is where the cool people are hanging out. Welcome.
Vodka.
Yeah.
Oh, really? And now it's either clearing up or all these are coming together in one big.
It looks like it's blowing.
This might be it.
It's all clear over there.
It's kind of disappointing it doesn't
Yeah. I was kind of looking forward to a tornado.
I'm looking for a little death and destruction.
I've done
You want to ride?
Or a tree exploding like last year.
Look at Bubba.
Bubba.
Bubba!
It's cheaper to have the thunder and lightning take the trees down than it is for us.
That's a good point. It is getting lighter out there. The horribleness is kind of passing.
You can see the actual cloud line right here.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it goes up that way a little ways.
It's
but-
leaving us.
Nice.
Thank you.
It's all clear all over
Yeah,
there.
that's it.
I love that we're all suddenly meteorologists.
Yes.
Copper and Bob.
Oh, come on. They're right 25% of the time.
25% of the time.
25%.
Yeah, I have been for years.
Anyone else hear that?
Oh, I heard it.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, look,
that.
there's like a clearing up there.
27%.
26.25 about.
So